Drury Plaza Hotel, Orlando. Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney for older adults and seniors, and today we have a real treat. Join us, as today we have a resort and guest room tour of the Drury Plaza Hotel, Orlando, in the Disney Springs area of Walt Disney World. Several weeks ago, I was fortunate to be invited to join several other travel agents who specialize in Disney on a multi-day tour of both Disney and non-Disney properties in the Walt Disney World area. This video shows you what I saw on that tour when we arrived at the Drury Plaza Hotel Orlando in the Disney Springs area from an older adult and senior's perspective. As we proceed together on this tour of the Drury Plaza Hotel Orlando, if you are finding value in watching this video, please do give this a thumbs up to like this video so YouTube will share it with other Disney-loving seniors. And members of the Disney for Seniors group, keep watching for your magic number as you'll learn more about this official Walt Disney World hotel located in the Disney Springs area. Now, the Drury Plaza Hotel Orlando, as mentioned, is an official Walt Disney World hotel, which means that guests can enter the Disney theme parks at Walt Disney World 30 minutes before the general public, with, of course, a park reservation and valid park admission ticket. It is located a half a mile from Disney Springs and provides not only free shuttle service to the 4 Disney theme parks, but also provides many amenities to its guests as of the creation of this video tour, which was late February 2025, including no resort fees, which is a huge savings compared to many other hotels and resorts in the Lake Buena Vista area. There is the free coffee and hot tea in the lobby, as we see here. The marketplace store we see here just off the lobby has the typical beverages, snacks, souvenirs that one would expect, as well as a Pizza Hut Express. Up now onto the second floor common area, we see where guests can receive their free hot breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily, including scrambled eggs, sausages, Mickey-shaped waffles, and more. It is the same area where between 5:30 and 7:30 p.m. nightly, evening snacks and beverages with a rotating menu of hot dinnertime snacks that the Drury Plaza Hotel Orlando calls its kickback, including limited beer, wine, and mixed drinks for guests over 21 years of age. Yes, you heard me right. There is also free popcorn and soda in the second floor commons area daily between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. Continuing with the tour of the Drury Plaza Hotel Orlando, it also has on this second floor a good-sized gym for those who want to work out, as if walking around the Disney parks is not of a workout enough, but I digress. And what I like to see is a large guest laundry area. Nancy and I typically do laundry when staying in and around Walt Disney World to reduce the amount of luggage we have to bring with us. Up in the Palm Tower, one of 2 guest room towers on property, what caught my eye before even going into a guest room were the very brightly lit and wide hallways, which is a nice change from many hotels and resorts we have stayed at. Now to the first of the 2 guest rooms on this tour, room 1527 in the Palm Tower. It is a double queen bed guest room with a terrace or veranda. Over to the right is the open closet for hanging clothes, coffee maker, microwave, an in-room safe, a beverage cooler, and a sink. The bathroom also has a second sink with a nicely lit large mirror. Notice that the shower has a grab or safety bar, which is a really great and in-demand safety feature by older adults and seniors. There is a small circular table and chair in the corner with its own lamp. The 2 queen-size beds share a night table with lamp, and each bed has its own electrical outlet and USB outlet as shown here. Beneath the wall-mounted 55-inch smart TV is a desk with another lamp and chair, as well as a small multi-drawer dresser. This is nice, a seat to use when putting on or taking off socks or shoes. Now we see the view of Disney Springs and of the small balcony or terrace with the 2 chairs and small circular table. Here are some pictures provided by the Drury Plaza Hotel showing the configurations for some of the other types of guest rooms, including different configurations of accessible bathrooms. Now we are in the second tower, the Cypress Tower, with once again wide, brightly lit hallways. Room 1423 is a 1-bedroom suite with a separate parlor area as we see here. The parlor area has its own wall-mounted TV as well as the sink, microwave, coffee maker, and cooler. Here is the second sink just outside the bathroom containing a third sink with the same large, well-lit mirror, toilet, and this time a combination bathtub and shower. No grab or safety bars here in the bathtub. In the bedroom portion of the suite are 2 queen beds, the same desk, chair, and dresser we saw in the deluxe double queen guest room earlier. A pair of electrical outlets and USB and a USB-C outlet for charging smart devices is on the desk. The 2 queen beds, once again, share the night table with the same lamp and additional charging station. No balcony or terrace in this suite. Now back to where we began in this video, the outdoor area in the back of the Drury Plaza Hotel Orlando, starting with the saltwater swimming pool area. There's the whirlpool hot tub beside the pool, as well as here's a picture of the children's splash pad area. There's a guest using the free Wi-Fi. The back area has some very nice seating configurations for dining or just relaxing, in addition to the loungers poolside. The Lakeside Bar and Grill is nicely situated as a pool-sized restaurant and full bar service, open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. There is also the kitchen and bar available inside with hours starting at 5 p.m. As we can see, there is also live music on selected evenings poolside. Do remember that the Drury Plaza Hotel Orlando offers free shuttle to the 4 Disney theme parks. Now, Disney for seniors. Here is the magic number you've been waiting for. The magic number for this third video is the number 5. Once again, Disney for seniors, your magic number for this video is the number 5. And there you have it, our tour of the Drury Plaza Hotel Orlando, including 2 room tours. Have you stayed at the Drury Plaza Hotel Orlando? If you have, please let us know and share your experiences in the comments below, and if you would recommend it for older adults and seniors spending time in the Lake Buena Vista area. Here now are 2 other Disney travel-related videos for older adults and seniors. Please do remember to like this video and share it with your other Disney-loving friends and family. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.